Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are painting this cute beautiful birds pair. So before that, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of my videos. And now let's get started. I am starting here with the background and I have painted grey for the underpainting of moon. I have mixed blue and white and black, and with a lighter shade I'll be painting the first layer and later on I'll make the shade darker. For blending two colors, what I'm doing here is first I am painting with the first color and then I am painting with the second color, and with a damp brush I am moving in between two colors so that they get mixed well. So I have a separate video on the blending techniques. The link for the video is in the I button, please check. For the darker shade I am mixing blue and black, and I'll be using the same color for the rest of the background. The background is complete here and I am painting the moon here with the white color. To give the realistic look to the moon, I am just giving the grey shade here and there. I have my sketch ready. If you want to know my process, how I transfer images on the canvas, please let me know in the comments and I will make a separate video on it. I want to show the moonlight, so I'll be painting the upper portion of the branch with a white color. background is dark, I don't have to paint a lot for the head of the chickadee, and I am just painting a little bit of wide strokes in here just to highlight the head portion. Usually for the white part I use a grey underpainting, but since we have a dark background here, I felt it's not required to have a grey underpainting over here, but this is optional. If you want, you can also have a grey underpainting and then paint the white feathers. I am showing the process of painting for one bird, and you can repeat the process for the second one. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Since I want to show the moonlight effect, I am painting the upper part of the head with the white color. And we are almost done here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. You can also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook, and I will see you in the next painting. Bye.